2018 Winnebago Vista 31B for sale in Spring Lake Park, Minnesota 55432. Spread your wings and fly with this 2018 Winnebago Vista 31B. This Class A motorhome is 32.25 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Triton V10 gasoline engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has one slide-out, one awning and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 9 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with a backup camera, power mirrors, hydraulic leveling system and captain's chairs. With only 69,421 miles, you can rest assured that this Winnebago will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2018 Winnebago Vista 31B is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include great cooking area with a 3-burner cooktop and microwave/convection oven refrigerator/FreezerDouble kitchen. SinkBooth style dinette makes into a bed. 38 television, surround sound DVD/CD/StereoSofa, SleeperDriver and passenger seat that swivel towards the living area for evening relaxation. Large bathroom with rounded glass shower, entrance through Livingroom and Back Bedroom. Master queen size bed. Full-size master closet/DresserSingle loft bed. Above the cap AreaBunk BedsOnan backup GeneratorRoof, air conditioning and so much more. This 2018 Winnebago Vista 31B is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Winnebago is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2018 Winnebago Vista 31B.